Okay, I am sorry. I just saw your message there, and I thought maybe just jump in here real quick and get something. What I did is just put a circle out there and then trimmed it off so that I could get a closed surface on both edges there, made them plainer, right? But really, I'm not sure why, but you want to get the right viewport, of course. Why you can't adjust it more than 2 millimeter? That's kind of strange. But let's go in here and just go to our hinge dynamic. It's in our cutters under hinge. And then of course it goes blank. No worries, don't be fretting any. But once you draw, oh, I already got it. Let me set it down some. I already set it external. Let's set it 2. That didn't look like 2 to me. That looks way okay. Internal maybe. Internal's way down there. I don't know why the external's. Huh. That doesn't look like 2 millimeters. But anyway, I have it at 1.4 right now. External number is 1, and then inside radius. You can see all the commands here at 45. So if I just bring that up over the top of where that hinge is going to be, and then with my left click, dragging it up, and then I release it, it should show that. Let's go to all viewports. It should pop. Oh, maybe it's not big enough. Okay, yeah, it's probably not big enough. So, oh, there we go. Yeah, it's just barely big. That's why it wasn't showing. It has to be large enough. So I had it at 1.4, but now I can drag it up to as big as I want, really, and I can still get that to manipulate there, right? So if it's too small and you drag it up there, it's not showing because your outside radius, external radius is not large enough. So be aware of that, because a lot of times people will go, oh, it's not working. So like if I take it down to a 1.2, it's not going to show up because it's not taking up the whole. The outside radius is not large enough to cover the entire item. But once you make that larger, you should be able to get it. You can also do number of males. So if I go to drag it up to 2, now you can see I have 2 in there, and you can drag it up even more depending. You want to make sure those are at least a 0.5 millimeter. Probably I would. So be careful on that, but you can adjust those. And I'm not sure why. If you just come over here and and you can swap, go back to, so it takes them to the other side, right? Uh, but I'm not sure why you're having any kinds of difficulties. Um, maybe do a reset or something, but you should be able to just get it over your item so that it's showing up, and then drag it larger or smaller as you need it to be. So hopefully. I don't know. Hopefully that'll help you. And then just right click, of course, and you got it good to go. Just get rid of the original one there, and or save it or hide it or whatever, and you should be good to go. And you can always go back in and do more editing. So I don't know. Good question. If that persists, I would go ahead and call Jim Vision tech support, and then maybe they can get on there and see what's going on with your program that's on your computer. Maybe there's something inside there that's jacking that up. So hopefully that helps. Good luck, and let me know how it goes.